Yo, what's up everybody here, Mr. Seeger guy. Welcome back to a brand new video. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Today we're gonna be a reaction to one wild stormy night. So supposedly this video is about brain rotting, scary videos, some sort of. So I'm gonna link it down below so you can watch it by yourself. It's scary right now if you want to watch it at 3 a.m. like always. Let's get into the videos. Lights are off. Subscribe to lights are off. Right. It's a little bit loud, but it's an abandoned house out of nowhere.
This is an emergency alert.
Right.
A severe weather warning is in effect for your area. A supercell thunderstorm has developed off the northwest coast. Winds have been reported up to 200 miles per hour, and extreme electrostatic discharges have also been reported. Please seek shelter immediately.
Oh yeah. I would do the same probably. Excuse me. Thank you.
As we move into the evening, the supercell only shows signs of increasing strength. Winds now at over 250 miles per hour. We expect the severity to only worsen into the night as the storm moves inland. Please remain inside and lock your doors.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean? Yo, hold on. What do you mean by that? Lock your doors. Super Saiyan? Oh, heck no. What the freak is that? Hell no. As soon as I see that, I run. I literally run. I don't even know how fast it goes anyways. Now we're doing the Walking Dead's time? Oh, our brain runs. Heck no. Look at that. Oh, it some legs, man. Is that Happy Cat? Oh, heck no. I don't even know why people live in the woods in the first place anyways. Siren Head? What type of Siren Head? That is crazy. As soon as I see that, I run. Oh, you're dead. You're toast. You're toast, buddy. Look at that. How does it run like that? My God. Heck no. Hey man, like, get something, I don't know. Rack it up. Rack it up. Go to your safe or whatever you have and just rack it up. I don't like that freaking camera movement. Classic. Don't. Come on, man. Slenderman. Freddy laugh or what? Oh my God. Nah. I feel like something's gonna run up there from the stairs. You hear it. My God. I can't. I'm freaking. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. Man, run. I knew there's gonna be someone under the bed. There's gotta be someone in their bed. Oh, hell no. Nah. You go in the bed, literally. Oh shit. Oh hell no. Look, as soon as you see that, like, rack it up. Anyways, that was the end of the video. One stormy night. The video is gonna be down in the description below, so you can see it by yourself. 3 a.m. whatever so you want. If you're scared, I dare you to watch it. Subscribe to Lights Are Off. I'm gonna see more videos about it and try to save your reactions, more videos. Anyways, guys, have a great night, day, whatever. So, see you later.